17-year-old boy shot dead by gunmen at Morbung under Kangpokpi police station. Police looking for perpetrators. Body of Akoijam Nonganba alias Aging finally claimed by JSC. Last rites performed, government urged to fulfill demands without delay. Assam Rifles foiled cross-border smuggling of narcotics near border. 1.536 kg of brown sugar worth rupees 3.072 crore in international market recovered. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC joins a nationwide satyagraha to protest conviction of party leader Rahul Gandhi. Hawks bomb creates a panic situation at Bamdiar in Imphal West. Suspicion object turned out to be phenol bottle. Police bust a large local red wine manufacturing factory at Khongjom Maninglaikai in Thoubal district. 2 persons arrested. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses nation in 99th episode of Man Ki Baat program. Calls on people to come forward for organ donation. Kurumjay, good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on IS News, and this is Victoria Rajkumari. Now to top stories. A 17-year-old boy was shot to death by unknown miscreants last night at Morbung under Kangpokpi police station. The deceased was identified as Segunlal Misau, son of Langthang Misau of Morbung Model Village. According to police, the fatal shooting occurred near Morbung PAC in Morbung Model Village in Kangpokpi district along National Highway number 2, that is Imphal to Dimapur Road, around 8:30 p.m. yesterday. According to eyewitnesses, 2 persons believed to be a couple who came on a motorcycle from Imphal side reportedly gunned down the teenager, that is a class 12 student. Segunlal Misha reportedly died on the spot. Following the incident, irate residents of Morbung Model Village came out and blocked the national highway in protest. Meanwhile, police have registered a case over the incident and investigations are still underway to nab the culprits behind the incident. The body of Akoijam Nonganba alias Aging was finally claimed by the JSC against the brutal killing of AK Nonganba alias Aging Mitei. The body has been lying unclaimed after Nonganba was found dead at Chagobung under Kangpokpi police station on February 14 last. NSC and IM's deputy Kilonsar Moses Gonmei and Stephen and Tokchom Sonia, girlfriend of Nonganba, are alleged to have murdered Nonganba. Accused Moses and Sonia are currently in jail in the case, but Stephen is on the run. The last rites of Nonganba were performed at his residence in Kwakaithel Awang Kongjeng Laikai in Imphal West today. Nonganba JSC convener Thongnaujam Ashalata stated that the body of the 41-year-old was claimed following assurance from the Manipur government to hand over the murder case to NIA. She demanded befitting punishment to all the culprits and warned of further agitation in case the authorities fail to fulfill the demands raised by the Joint Action Committee JSC at the earliest.
Sarkar ga akhoi ga yana bagi matung inna dead body ase laujabani NIA da yaurani tharani na thabagi pau ase taraba matung da akhoi hotna jabani aduda kari gumba laingak tagi oini na tro oiro yana lakwa taragadi akhoi amu hana khongjang ase Manipur miyam gi seso kangu sing ima embel lup taruk yauri ba ima embel sing adegi club lanai sangsthan punamang na amu khongjang ase achobo thorang loraga amu pangthok changani habega wafam ase Manipur laingak ta pungning chingsin bag loina na wafam ase amu ka na thamjari.
On March 24, 2023, More Assam Battalion Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter Inspector General Assam Rifles South falls cross-border smuggling of narcotics at Howlin 5 village near border pillar 76, More, Manipur, and recovered 1.536 kg of brown sugar worth rupees 3.072 crore in the international market. Based on the specific input, More Battalion Assam Rifles launched surveillance and mobile vehicle checkpost in general area Howlin 5 village near border pillar number 76 More. The team observed a suspicious Kenvo bike coming from Myanmar side towards Indian territory along with black color polythene. On noticing security forces' presence, the Kenvo bike riders immediately turned back the vehicle with intention to run away. Due to rigorous chase by the team, the pillion rider dropped black polythene while taking advantage of porous border, proximity to international border and escaping. The plastic bag was found containing 37 soap cases of 1.536 kg of brown sugar, IGR South said in a release. The cost of seized brown sugar is rupees 3.072 crore in the international market. The recovered items were handed over to More police station for further legal proceedings. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today joined the day-long Satyagraha organized by the Congress Party nationwide to show solidarity with party leader Rahul Gandhi. The protest was held in front of the Mahatma Gandhi statue at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The Grand Old Party held the nationwide Satyagraha in solidarity with Rahul Gandhi in front of Gandhi statues in all states and district headquarters to register a protest against his disqualification from the Lok Sabha as MP. Rahul Gandhi was recently sentenced to 2 years in jail by a court in a defamation case. MPCC President K. Megachandra accused the Narendra Modi-led government of suppressing the people's voice. He said that Rahul Gandhi's conviction and disqualification poses a serious threat to India, the world's largest democracy. Rahul Gandhi was sentenced in a defamation case filed against him over Modi's surname remark during a rally in Karnataka ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. He was disqualified on Friday, a day after he was found guilty of defamation by a court in Gujarat for a 2019 campaign trial, remark seen as insulting to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and billed by the BJP as one that degraded the entire Modi community. The court also granted him bail and suspended the sentence for 30 days to allow him to appeal to a higher court. His lawyers vowed to appeal the verdict in a higher court. The Congress has said that Rahul Gandhi is not alone and millions of congressmen and people, irrespective of their political affiliations, will join him in this fight for truth and justice. A Hawks bomb created panic among residents of Bamdir in Imphal West today. According to a police, an object suspected to be a bomb was found near the northern side of the gate at Bamdir Manau Hill. Locals came across the suspicious object around 7:30 this morning. The object was found wrapped in a red color card box alongside a banner written 43rd Red Army Uprising Day, following which the locals immediately informed the police. Subsequently, a team of Nambol Police Commando led by OC Aribam Navakanta rushed to the site and cordoned off the area. A bomb squad was also called in to the site. Shortly, a team of Bishnupur Police Commando led by Bishnupur CDO OC Yengkhom Shakti also arrived at the spot. However, the object turned out to be a phenol bottle. Meanwhile, as a part of the Manipur government's efforts to curb manufacturing of illicit liquor in the state, Manipur police today busted a big local red wine factory at Khongjom Maningleikai in Thoubal district and arrested 2 individuals. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Khongjom police station busted the illicit liquor manufacturing factory around 10 a.m. The drive was carried out at the residence of one Thokchom Bobo, aged 43 years, son of Nokul of Khongjom Maningleikai. However, Bobo was not at home at the moment. Police arrested Bobo's wife and father. Meanwhile, during the raid at the factory, a large quantity of local-made red wine and equipment suspected to be used in manufacturing the liquors were also destroyed by the police team. Reportedly, the liquors manufactured at the factory were sold in Churachandpur, Kokching Lamkai, Palel and Khongjom. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged people to come forward for organ donation. Addressing the nation in the 99th episode of his Mann Ki Baat program, Modi said there are a large number of needy people who are waiting for organ donors. He expressed satisfaction that his government is working on the uniform policy in the country for organ donation. He further stated that it has been decided to remove the condition of domicile of the states. It will enable patients to go to any state and register for receiving organs. The government has also decided to abolish the age limit of below 65 years for organ donation. Modi also highlighted that awareness about organ donation is also rising in the country. In 2013, there were less than 5,000 cases of organ donation in the country, but this number increased to more than 15,000 in 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi mentioned a number of women achievers. He said women power has a big role in the new India that is emerging. He said Asia's first female loco pilot, Surekha Yadav, has set another record. Modi took the names of producer Gunit Monga and director Kartiki Gonzalez, who brought laurels to the country by winning an Oscar for their documentary that is The Elephant Whisperers. He mentioned that in Nagaland, for the first time in 75 years, 2 women legislatures have reached the state assembly through their victory. One of them has also been made a minister in the Nagaland government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi added that this energy of women power is the oxygen of a developed India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also reminded that cases of corona are rising in some places. He urged everyone to take precautions and be mindful of cleanliness. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren virtually attended the Mann Ki Baat program from Loang Sambam in Imphal today. Biren said that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message of positivity by highlighting various achievements and progresses made in the country has always been a source of inspiration for millions of hearts in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during Mann Ki Baat program looked back at the journey of the program and said that Mann Ki Baat has reached its 99th distinction. He expressed happiness that there is a lot of enthusiasm among the people of the country regarding the 100th episode of Mann Ki Baat on April 30th. The Prime Minister also expresses eagerness to know people's suggestions and thoughts regarding the 100th episode. He added that these suggestions and ideas will make the 100th Mann Ki Baat extremely memorable. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister Biren yesterday attended the virtual conference on the Mann Ki Baat program along with State BJP President Adhikari Mayum Sharda and Works Minister Govindas Konthoksam at his official's residence. Noni Battalion of Jwalamukhi Sector of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Inspector General of Assam Rifles East distributed solar lamps sponsored by Sunbird Trust at Pungmon village in Noni district today. A total of 73 solar lamps were distributed to the villages of Pungmon by the troops of Company Operating Base that is COB Hokchong along with the members of Sunbird Trust to strengthen the bond with the local populace. The activity aimed to ease electricity problems facing the villagers living in the remote hilly villages of the state. The village chief and the other village authorities expressed their gratitude towards troops of COB Hongchong and members of Sunbird Trust for such welfare initiatives, according to a release from the Assam Rifles. Meanwhile, India reported 1,890 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, the highest in 149 days. The new infections took the country's total caseload to over 4.47 crore, while active coronavirus caseload has increased to 9,433. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the death toll has climbed to 5,30,831 with 7 new deaths in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the number of people who have recuperated from the disease has gone up to 4,41,63,883 in the last 24 hours. The country's recovery rate stands at 98.79%. Over 220.65 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Top 3 states contributing a maximum number of COVID-19 cases to India's tally are Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. Meanwhile, in the northeast India, Assam has the highest number of active cases, followed by Mizoram and Meghalaya. COVID-19 has infected over 68 crore 32 lakh, while more than 68 lakh 26,000 have succumbed to the dreaded coronavirus, and recoveries are above 65 crore 61 lakh. Globally, United States of America, USA, has the highest COVID-19 cases, followed by India and France. CPI Manipur State Council condemned the detention of over 30 opposition MPs, including those from the Congress on Friday. The MPs were detained on March 24th as they took out a protest march from Parliament House, alleging that democracy is in danger and demanding a JPC probe into the Adani issue. Prominent leaders including Santosh Kumar were stopped by the police and detained at Vijay Chowk for reportedly violating prohibitory orders and taken to a nearby police station. State Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, L. Thoiren, condemned the act of police and termed it as a violation of democracy. He alleged that the ruling party has misused independent institutions including CIA, NIA and Income Tax Department and targeting the opposition with cases to suppress their voices. He condemned the act and apprehensive of continuation of such acts in the country. Dalit Sahitya Academy Manipur in India celebrated its 12th Foundation Day in Guwahati in Assam yesterday. National and international awards were also handed over to outstanding individuals on the occasion. Among the awardees was Manipur's own Sobita Maibam. She was awarded the prestigious Dr. Ambedkar Fellowship National Award 2022 and Mother Teresa National Award 2023. The awards were conferred on Sobita in recognition of her humanity services. Sobita is a member of a like-minded group, LMG Manipur. Presently, she is serving as the Secretary of Laimarimbi Old Age Home, Social Reforms Reorganization Thobal District, Wangjing Bazaar Cooperative Society. That's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Highest News.
Ana layengi office ki thabak amadi koi bachat pada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam leitaba ki awaba koklagani Delhi airport kayam naknana lairiba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta laizare Hotel Ambrosia laifam gi oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani Vishal Mega Mart Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia A217 Road number 6 Mahipalpur phone number 9643504772
Electric laktaba na maram oiduna asabe ising panglar hybrid ng sa tiningai leitraba Thompson Solar Water Heater. Contact number 9862669522. Aikhoigi address Hairangwaidong Nithamcha Karong, Imphal West.
Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on IS News. The proceeding with other news. All Manipur United Fish Farmers Association, AMUFA, has formed a new association named Imphal East District United Fish Farmers Association. The body was set up after a meeting at Bal Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary at Kongpal today. Larik Yengbam Bimol was chosen as the president of the newly formed association, while Ningombam Robita was chosen as the vice president, Ningombam Prakras as general secretary, and Salam Local as finance secretary. Publicity secretary, assistant secretary, and 4 executive members were also elected. AMUFA President Bimol Chandra and AMUKO's General Secretary Narendra Thokchom were present during the meeting. Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglub, in short AMIC, in collaboration with All Assam Manipur Students Association AMSU, Hojai, will organize a state-level modern song competition for the Manipur diaspora in Assam at Gauranagar Playground in Hojai. The competition will be held tomorrow, that is March 27th. Announcing the same, AMIC General Secretary in the press release said the activity aims to strengthen the unity among the Manipuri diaspora as well as to promote sports, tourism, tradition and culture. It also said that the winners of the competition will be felicitated on the occasion. It also mentioned that a musical night will be held with renowned singers of Manipur. Meanwhile, the team of AMIC, along with All Assam Manipuri Youth Association Amaya, will also carry out demonstrations at Binakandi, Lakhipur in Assam to press for an autonomous council for the Manipuris in Assam and construction of a Manipur Bhavan at Silchar tomorrow. 2 teams of AMIC left Imphal for Hojai this morning for the upcoming programs.
Tribe Kunmari sida loinak salai tere laini ba muisi bune ko yelongi harise lakpham laitaba sapham laitaba sidagi hogi ba kangu se aduna hojik tampak ta mitai na lairi se Southern China Yunnan province khamnung dagi lakpa nate Thailand dagi lakpa nate adagi Taiwan dagi lakpa nate Myanmar dagi lakpa nate khara amna Thailand jo hawaja sai mitai jo hawaja sai Thailand jo pena khongi mitai jo pena khongi Thailand de lakne hajim da adun nate adigi ko hojik RN Hindu gi descendant jo nate Valley de mitai lairi se ko gi surrounding hill people se gi descendant aduna mitai ning thok coronation taw matam da singi phi seli jo ne P akakpa shelene adisi khawon 18th century in the middle of 19th century the lakbasing the moidi migrant ngakta ba aduna India ke context ta ST PDC adibasi khakta India da sahi lising ahum sanga hena laiba Aryan Hindu sing je ST oide ba kaino isi migrant ne ba mitai ne ST sanbada.
More than 20 houses were damaged and the road connecting Mangan to Gangtok was swept away after a massive landslide hit Sikkim's Sokpe village on March 26. According to sources, no human casualties have been reported from the site. Rescue operations are underway at the site where the landslide hit earlier today. Fortunately, the first minor slide that occurred at approximately 2 p.m. informed the residents, who then evacuated their home to seek shelter. The reported slide has caused extensive damage to properties and livestock. 2 houses have been totally shattered. Besides, agricultural land belonging to more than 18 families have been severely damaged, along with the standing crops. Now the sports news. In boxing, Nitu Gangas was crowned world champion after she beat Mongolia's Lusaiken Ultang Saksek in the final of the 45 to 48 kg minimum weight category at the 2023 IBA Women's World Boxing Championship in New Delhi. The finals was held yesterday. Swati Bora was also crowned world champion after she beat Wang Lina of China in the 75 to 81 kg light heavyweight category. This is India's first ever goal in the light heavyweight category. India can match their best ever haul of victories from one World Championships today with Nikhat Jari, the 52 kg world champion from the last edition, who is competing in 50 kg category, and Tokyo Olympics bronze medalist Lovelina Borgohain in 75 kg are strong contenders to win their respective finals. In Women's Premier League cricket, Delhi Capitals will face Mumbai Indians in the summit clash of the tournament in Mumbai today. The final match of the tournament will be played at Bourbon Stadium in Mumbai tonight at 7:30 p.m. Both the teams have recorded heavy wins against each other in the group stage and finished with identical 12 points, with only the net run rate separating them at the top of the table. Delhi Capitals stand at the top with 1.856, while Mumbai Indians with 1.711 hold the second spot. Going by their record at the Bourbon Stadium, Mumbai Indians have the upper hand, having won all 3 games so far, while Delhi Capitals have 2 wins and a loss at the venue. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. 17-year-old boy shot dead by gunmen at Morbung under Kangpopi police station. Police looking for perpetrators. Body of Akoijam Nonganba alias Aging finally claimed by JC. Last rites performed, government urged to fulfill demands without delay. Assam Rifles foil cross-border smuggling of narcotics near border. 1.536 kg of brown sugar worth rupees 3.072 crore in international market recovered. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC joins a nationwide satyagraha to protest conviction of party leader Rahul Gandhi. Hawks bomb creates a panic situation at Bamdiar in Imphal West. Suspicion object turned out to be phenol bottle. Police bust large local red wine manufacturing factory at Khongjom Maninglaikai in Thobal district. 2 persons arrested. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses nation in 99th episode of Mann Ki Baat program, calls on people to come forward for organ donation. Well, that's all we have today. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Manipuri Primetime Bulletin. Till then, good night and stay safe.